morning, my beautiful masterpieces. It's your girl Mona Lisa. Welcome if you're new. Welcome back if you're returning. Thursday, March 26th. So it's like now it's going on 8 a.m. I just got up. I am off work for the next month. So I'm staying productive and busy and getting my workouts in at home. So I'm about to do hip hop abs and then work on lower legs and booty today. So yeah, I probably won't show you the whole my workout because I'm about to put this on, this trainer on. I'm about to put this on, the sauna suit, and looks like you're wearing a garbage bag trying to work out. Very effective, makes you sweat a whole lot, but no, I'm not gonna record myself wearing that.
Log into teambeachbody.com to get the most out of your workouts.
Shut up. Y'all, he April Fools me. It's March 31st. He rigged this up. Gonna act like he got a pen stabbed into his foot. He poked a little hole in there and put tape in the inside.
Okay, you're gonna need tape. And then you're gonna need scissors, then tape, and then this. And I put tape under my sock. So you're gonna do this. Okay, take a little bit of tape. Put the sticky part under your foot, and then boom, you got it. Now you can prank somebody, your parent or your annoying sibling. You can prank anybody. So that's how you do it.
We're gonna try this Wednesday, and we're playing The Incredibles, Monopoly. But as you can see, CJ lost the pieces of the actual Incredibles, so we're using the sorry pieces. Anyway, I'm Dash.
Mom.
He's Mrs. Incredible. She's Violet stuff. And CJ just landed on the free parking, so he gets all the money in the middle. In the middle.
Oh, suck. I got all those morals, bro.
I lost. So it's between these two piggies. CJ's got a big pile. She's got that little. The game, CJ ended off with $60 and 4 properties. Sapphire had 7 properties and $31. How do y'all feel? How do y'all feel?
Who won?
You won.
Yeah.
up, y'all? So it is Wednesday. I'm getting ready to wash my hair and do me a face mask along with a foot mask and take my nails off because some are already starting to come off, so I'm gonna soak those off. But yeah, this is my friggin' lion hair. This is my hair. Don't mind my mirror, y'all. That's CJ messing it up. But this is how long my hair is. Like right about to the top of my butt. Alright, now I'm about to bake these at 400 degrees for about 50 minutes. Alright, here's the buffalo sauce. Alright, and this is the final product of the baked buffalo wings. So the kids are about to eat this. Y'all, it's Thursday. It's a beautiful day out here.
Get ready to rumble!
And today had to drop the top. It's like 55 degrees out here.